Hey everyone, Chase Downs, VP of Marketing and Partnerships over here at Gather, and I am excited to announce a brand new feature that is available for free for all of our funeral home customers to offer as a resource to any out of town family and friends that are looking to travel in for their loved one's funeral service. It is called Hotel Booking and Guest Accommodations. So, from the organized page, with this feature now activated for your account, when your team is going to schedule a public facing event for a particular case, you'll now have the ability to actually select and enable a toggle called Hotel Booking Link. And what this will do is include a direct link to a hotel booking page where, again, out of town family and friends can search for any nearby hotels and lodging that's going to be available when trying to plan for the loved one's funeral service. This really helps because it's an additional detail that can stress families out, and it positions your funeral home as the number one resource for their family. And again, it does not add any additional work to your team's plate. So when I am going to schedule the funeral service for Robert, I'm going to go ahead and schedule that event out, and I'll make sure that that toggle is enabled. Once I've scheduled that event out, I will go ahead and push this obituary over to my brand new Gather powered funeral home website. And the cool part about this is when we go to Robert's Remember page or obituary page, we should be able to scroll down now, and the family and friends should be able to see a new event for the funeral service, for their loved one's funeral service, as well as a button to find hotel nearby. This is where family and friends can easily search in the area. It'll have your logo at the top, and then once they go to search for a guest accommodation or a hotel, they can search for the dates that they need their stay to be selected for, how many travelers, how many rooms, and then browse through options directly from your funeral home website. So this is a fantastic new feature that is free for our customers to use. If you have any questions about getting started with Gather, feel free to visit our website at www.gather.app. Or if you are a current customer and would like to take advantage of this feature, feel free to reach out to our support team directly at 208-908-0488. All right, thanks guys.